Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
人
Two simple strokes.
撇捺人
Means person or human. Use it in words like
中国人
Chinese person or
大人
adult. Now that you know how to write,
人
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
人们
People,
人口
population,
人类
humanity. Example sentences.
他是美国人
He is American.
人们喜欢咖啡
People like coffee. Do you know the ancient oracle bone script for?
人
It originally looked like a stick figure of a person standing sideways. Now, it has been simplified.
女折撇横
Three elegant strokes.
女
Means woman or female. Use it in words like
女人
woman,
女孩
girl,
女士
lady. Now that you know how to write,
女
let's expand your vocabulary with
女
it's essential for describing people and relationships. Common words and phrases.
女儿
Daughter,
女性
female,
女朋友
girlfriend. Example sentences.
她是我的女朋友
She is my girlfriend.
这个女孩很聪明
The girl is very smart. Do you know the ancient oracle bone script for?
女
It originally depicted a woman kneeling, reflecting ancient roles. Now it's a symbol of strength.
少
Has four stroke. Next, do you know that?
少
Has two meanings.
少
Can mean few, less or young. For example,
多少
how much?
少年
Teenager. Now that you know how to write,
少
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
少数
Minority,
至少
at least,
少女
young girl. Example sentences.
请少放糖
Please add less sugar.
这个多少钱
How much is this?
她是少女
She is a young girl. Do you know the ancient oracle bone script for?
少
Started as tiny grains in ancient writing, genius right? Over time it's simplified but kept its core meaning.
有
Four strokes to friendship.
横撇折捺有
Means friend or friendly. Use it in words like
朋友
friend or
友好
friendly. Now that you know how to write,
有
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
友情
Friendship,
老朋友
old friend,
校友
alumni. Example sentences.
我的朋友很友好
My friend is very friendly.
我们友情深厚
Our friendship is deep. Do you know the ancient oracle bone script for?
有
Originally pictured two hands joining, a timeless symbol of friendship. Now it has been simplified.
胸
Has five strokes.
竖横折横撇竖弯钩兄
Means older brother or a respectful term for male peers. Use it in words like
兄弟
brothers, brotherhood, or
师兄
senior male apprentice. Now that you know how to write,
兄
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
兄长
Respectful term for older brother,
兄妹
brother and sister,
堂兄
cousin, older male, paternal side. Example sentences.
我的兄长很照顾我
My older brother takes good care of me.
我们是兄弟不分彼此
We are brothers. We share everything. Did you know the character
胸
combines
口
an?
儿
In ancient times, it symbolized the role of an older brother as the one who speaks or guides younger siblings. Today, it's also used to show respect, like addressing an older friend as
老兄
buddy or bro.
他
Has 5 strokes.
撇竖横折钩竖竖弯钩他
Means he or him. Use it in words like
他们
they, them,
他的
his. Now that you know how to write,
他
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
其他
Other,
他人
others, other people. Example sentences.
他是我的哥哥
He is my older brother.
请告诉他明天见
Please tell him we'll meet tomorrow. Did you know?
他
Means he or him in modern Chinese. It's used exclusively for males, while
他
is for females. In classical Chinese,
他
also meant other or another. But today, that meaning is split into
其他
other or
他们
they for objects.
他
Has 6 strokes.
折撇横横折钩竖竖弯钩他
Means she or her. Use it in words like
他
she or
他的
her, hers. Now that you know how to write,
他
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
他自己
Herself,
他们
they, them, all female group. Example sentences.
她是我的姐姐
She is my older sister.
他们在公园里玩
They are playing in the park. Did you know? The character
她
didn't exist until the 1920s. Before that,
她
was used for everyone. Language evolves, just like we do.
老
6 strokes to write old.
横竖横撇撇竖弯钩老
Means old or aged. Use it in words like
老师
teacher or
老人
elderly person. Now that you know how to write,
老
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
老板
Boss,
老朋友
old friend,
老家
hometown. Example sentences.
我的老师很严格
My teacher is very strict.
老板今天不在
The boss is not here today. Did you know?
老
Isn't always about age. In words like
老虎
tiger, it's just part of the name. In slang, young people might jokingly call each other,
老铁
meaning buddy, to show closeness, even if they're not old.
男
7 strokes to define male.
竖横折横竖横横折钩撇男
Means man or male. Use it in words like
男人
man,
男孩
boy. Now that you know how to write,
男
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
男朋友
Boyfriend,
男生
male or boy. Example sentences.
他是我的男朋友
He is my boyfriend.
这个男孩很聪明
This boy is very smart. Did you know the character
男
combines
田
field and
力
strength? In ancient times, men were often responsible for labor-intensive farming, so the character symbolized strength in the fields, a nod to traditional gender roles.
If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.